Shout out to all my packet chasers. Packet chasers in the building. If you don't know, this is your sign to get your CCNA. Today we're going to be deriving the IP range for these two IP addresses being used in our Packetchaser CCNA VLAN Lab 1.1. I always use the Packetchaser chart in order to figure this stuff out. With the chart, it's going to start like this. B-I-S-N. Bisons. B is for bits. There's 8 bits in an octet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're a packet chaser, you should know this chart by heart. So the I is the increment. The I is the increments, family. So basically, they're going to 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. They're going to double up from the right. The S stands for subnet mask. What we're going to do is we're going to take this 128 and then we're going to add up, and that's going to give us the number for the next subnet mask right here. 192 plus 32 is 224 plus 16 is 240 plus 8 is 248 plus 4 is 252. 2 plus 2 is 254 plus 1 is 255. Last but not least is the nets, which is 2 to the n minus 2 broken down, right? 0, 2 to the n minus 2 is 0, 2, 6, 14, 30, 62, 126, 254. That's 2 to the n minus 2. N meaning the number of bits. 2 times 1 is equal to 2, minus 2 is equal to 0. That's how we were able to derive that 0. You could just add that number. 2 times 2 is equal to 4, minus 2 is going to equal 2. That's how we got the 2. So then we can add the 3. 2 to the third power, which is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Minus 2 is equal 6. As we can see, this is a stroke 240, meaning there's going to be 4 bits used for the host and 4 bits used for the net. So the question is, what's the IP range? 192.168.1.97 with a stroke 240. So with a stroke 240, the increment is 16. So the first range is going to be 0 to 16. Next range is going to be 17 through 32. 32 plus 16 is going to be 48. 48 plus 16, 64. Plus 16 is 80. Plus 16 is 96. Is 112. Plus 96 is 208. All right, so we could easily derive the network ranges from this work that we just did. We got this switch 1 and this 97. We can see that it's going to live in the range from 96 to 111. So dot 96 through dot 111 is that range. And then the next range is going to be dot 112. 112 plus 16, 128. 32 plus 16, 48. This particular range is going to be dot 96 to dot 111. So this right here is what we call the all zeros. And this right here is what we call the all ones. The all ones is the BCast, is the broadcast. And then this is the net. So on the 96 net, the first IP we could use is 97, and then the last IP we could use is 110. Get me what I'm saying? So this is going to go on switch 1. So for switch 1, the IP address we going to use is dot 97, which is the first IP off of there, 97. And then for the PCs, we're going to start from the back. PC 1, we're going to use 110. PC 2, we're going to use dot 109. For the switch, we're going to use dot 97. That leaves switch 2. So for switch 2, we already figured out the math. It's on, that's the IP range with a stroke 140. So that means that it lives in the .112 through .128 range. So the net address is .112 and the broadcast address is .127. Here on switch 2, we're going to use .113. For the PCs, we're going to use .126, .125. So as I said, family, here go the IP addresses that we're going to use for these particular devices tonight when we do our labs. I walked us all through how to derive the IP address ranges when we're given a particular IP and subnet. For switch 1, we're going to be using 192.168.1.97 with a 255.255.255.240. That's like a stroke 28. And then right here, we're going to use 192.168.1.113 with a stroke 28. That's the same subnet. That's .240. Figured out what the ranges were and what we're going to do with our available IP addresses, what we're going to do with them. Later on this afternoon, tonight, we're going to be doing the lab on live. Make sure you pull up to Packetchasers live. I'm going to say this like I always say, you must study each and every day to get your CCNA. And if you'd like to join us on our march towards a CCNA certification, make sure you click on the link below and become a member of our Packetchaser Patreon study group. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming through today. Shout out to all my Packetchasers. Packetchasers in the building.